I want to escape. I want to escape to a place where we don't spend 351 days complaining about the weather and not sunny holiday destinations. Not that. Because why escape just to come back? You spend 2 weeks in the sun, then you're done. It's back to reality. I'm talking about a more permanent leave, because pretty soon we'll have entertainment wired straight to our brains, and here's the slogan: don't think, escape. Not that. The escapists are like, now, cheer up, calm down, keep it real. I say, compared to what? We're all deserters of the truth. And TV shows are just cheap holidays to live in other people's shoes, blocking us from thinking more expansively. And what's real? Because who said so? Man, I'm tired of being sheep. We're just numbers in numbered dreams, cascading silent bleats. What if reality is just a small patch of grass encircled by tiny fences? And instead of leaping over it, we dig trenches. Now we're entrenched in our own misery. We're desperate to move up in the world. What if life is just a mezzanine? And I swear the world's asleep when everybody's dreaming out loud. They can't hear when real people wake up and start screaming out loud, too busy lucid living. Just watch the sleepwalkers in the 9 to 5 with the eyes wide shut. Man, what's the use in living? The escapists are like, now, cheer up, calm down, keep it real. I say, compared to what? Just about anything is escapism. The IKEA kettle that sings you to sleep, online shopping, unlocking your phone to scroll up and down at nothing, everything. Music videos, crisp packets, everything comes glistening in colors so loud you can't help but listen in. The escape is inescapable. And the truth is, we're all escaping right now. So while we're here, together, let's escape to a place where even the word escape means nothing, where words are just soundless shapes. We no longer have mouths to articulate, to a place where there's no single or double meanings, no consciousness or feelings trapped, confined. The mind leaps but hits its head on the existential ceiling. No questions of what do you or do you not believe in. Is God a hoax or is religion the one redeeming hope that life has worth? I just want to take a giant leap out of myself and transcend material design. Look in the mirror and not see my face as mine. Turn blindness into the purest insight. But I know I'm right here, right now, so I'm gonna try keep it real. I know I'm right here, right now, and I think, and I feel. And I think, and I feel, and I think, and I feel, and I think, and I feel. Fuck it, I'm just gonna leave anyway. Cause you know what? Real is only what you believe anyway. So I'll meditate and close my eyes to escape earthly sense of space and time. Swim through shark-infested galaxies in my mind. Drifting, sinking, deeper. Till I find infinity.